Good morning. Welcome to this 1 minute yoga practice designed to boost your focus and productivity. Let's get started. Pose 1, Mountain Pose. Stand tall, feet hip width apart. Engage your core. Feel strong and grounded. Take 5 deep breaths, inhaling confidence and exhaling doubts. Pose 2, neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your air towards your shoulder. Hold for 5 breaths, switch sides, release tension, feel focused. Pose 3, shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back, release tension, relax, shoulders down. Repeat for 5 rounds. Feel energized, feel motivated. Pose 4, wrist circles. Hold your arms straight out to the side. Make small circles with your wrist, first clockwise and then counterclockwise. Repeat for 5 rounds. Feel creative, feel inspired. Pause 5, final breathe. Take one final deep breath in, feel invigorated, feel focused, hold for 5 seconds, exhale, feel refreshed and ready to take on the day. Final tips: remember, a clear mind and a focused body are just a few breaths away. Practice yoga regularly to boost your productivity and achieve your goals. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more morning motivation and yoga routines to boost your productivity.